This is it. The long awaited video that probably nobody is actually waiting on. But here we go anyway. This is my 2011 N55 BMW 335i. It's my first video of many. It's gonna be a lot of noise. My neighbor's hacking some trees right now. Had to get this video done. About to go meet up with a friend, do some drives. I've done absolutely nothing to this car yet. It's completely bone stock. What got me about the mod is some debris got kicked up from a car on the interstate and knocked one of my kidney grills out. So when I ordered my kidney grills, I was like, well, might as well order everything else. Had some little chinks on my intercooler, so we're gonna change that amongst other things. So this is it. This is it as it comes. Straight fishbowl, no tint. This is your 100% pure soccer mom car, as they like to tell me I drive. And we're gonna take the journey to turn it into my car. All right, we'll be back. We're gonna get on the road. Well, I'll do a little cold start for you guys. We'll wait. Oh, he stopped. Oh, don't want him to kill it. As you can see right there on my hood, that's my police scanner. It's an owl. So nothing crazy. No crazy muffler. No tunes. This is it. So a little bit we're gonna do a drive out, go meet Elijah, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun. So I'll see you guys in a minute.